Hey, sister Rohit, before going to the demo, let me introduce myself, then we'll quickly introduce yourself, then we'll start the session. So, hi, this is Veeraswamy. I have total 15 years of experience in IT. So, I worked on the Python, Java mobile development. I almost 5 years onwards, I worked on the professional training experience in the senior software solution. So here almost the 40 to 50 people recently joined as a Python developer with pressures and work experience. So we'll training the a lot of the ex professional way. This is myself. So can you please go ahead, Rohit? Rohit, you're in mute.
Yes, should I introduce myself?
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yeah, Amit,
Yeah,
you're.
I'm Ronat. I've completed my master's in University of East London in the year 2022 in the field of computer science, and my BTech in 2019 in the field of computer science as well.
Okay.
I just came back to India recently. Uh, Visa got expired, so I just came back to.
Okay. Okay. So you have the work experience, any skill set?
No, I have offset unprofessional skills. I got it, not to computer related skills. Like
Like what
I'm
you have the
completely a
skills
fresher
like
now.
any C, Java,
Uh,
you have?
I got DevOps and as well
Okay.
as Python as well.
Okay, you have the knowledge on Python as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, great. Yeah, Vasishta, can you please add to this as well? Thank you for it.
Yeah, myself versus non-technical, having 14 plus years of experience. I'm managing the team because of this AI and all. Just I wanted to switch my career to pursue further. That's what this.
What non-technical you are doing here?
See, I'm managing the team who is managing M365, like messaging and collaboration team I'm handling.
Okay, okay. Why you are choosing the Python?
Python I'm choosing because Python is must for generative AI, agentic AI, and like it's booming right nowadays.
Yes, yes, yes. That's what.
Yeah, so that's the reason. Yeah,
Okay, okay. This is good time to learn to the Python and AML concepts. So now
yeah,
the
yeah.
market will be next year, 2026 January, the mid of the January, the boom, the IT Python with AML concept booms will be more, and the huge opportunity will be there. The nowadays,
Yeah.
the looking the professional MNC companies, all are the Accenture, Infosys, IBM, Microsoft also, they have maintained a lot of the investment in the AML concepts. So AML, Agent
Yeah,
DA, and the who they are seriously looking the these skills only. But nowadays there is no experienced candidates in the outside. But it's likely 5 to 10 people's roughly I can say 5% to 10% people's in the market. But they are looking to at least 50% the positions are open. So that's
yeah,
why the Python with AML is a good opportunity to explore the this is best of platform.
yeah,
Okay, let me go for the screen. My screen. My screen is good.
yeah.
Rohit, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm visible.
Okay, okay, great. So today we have to demonstration about the Python and with AML and what is the market and trends of the Python and what is the job opportunity and what are the GenAI tools we have to explore this market and also the complete of the journey in the series software. What are the tools we have to elaborate on that one? So everything we have to dealing on the practical. There is no theoretical activities. Every day we have to the ongoing live sessions and to practice sessions. Every day we have to the 1 hour and weekends will go for the 2 hours. Like Saturday, Sunday, we'll go for the 2 hours, the practical sessions for the Python with Gen AI tools. So, what was the agenda of this today's demo? So, why Python is AML and why the core ML concepts and what are the Python libraries and tools will be there and what are the real-time use case for the Python. So nowadays, the so many languages will be there, like like Java, .NET, React to JS, and React Native, and to TypeScript, JavaScript. This is the so many tools in the market, but why the companies are really looking the this Python skills candidates, because the large libraries and tools will be supported in the Python, and also we can say everything will be automation. There is no manual process. So if you go for the development in the last 10 years back, when I'm developing the any programming, so suppose I have to implement some programming Java language, definitely we have to every lines of code we have to understand and we have to practice on that one. That only we can implement, like suppose I implement login form, registration form, any real scenario behavior. So we have to understand the clear picture of the syntax and programming and hands-up experience. But nowadays the so many tools will be available, like Gen AI tools, Copilot, and we have to the Claude, and there is the for proper Excel. This is the so many tools will be available. Just we have to prompt, like what are the prompts will be have to given. Based upon the prompt, the code will be generated. So this here this course we have to dealing with the all the practical oriented, how to integrate the Gen AI tools, how to implement the Python with AML concepts, all the things we have to cover in this course. So and also we have to so many career opportunity and job roles and Gen AI tools in the Python. So why Python AML will be Python will be why you're choosing? It's a clean and readable syntax and rich ecosystem ML libraries like machine learning libraries. So TensorFlow, PyTorch. This is the libraries to maintain to handling the vector database and algorithms. And also we have to the strong data handling, NumberFi and Funda. This is the Excel sheet, PowerPoint presentation. If you I have to some lot. Suppose if you take the use case employees in the suppose some MNC company, lot of people are working on that one. In the so if you what are the salary of the each employee and what is the grade and what is the level? If you go to the manual, it will take so much time. But if you are doing NumberFi Funda, the calculations and easy quickly we can create the generation process, and that is the numerical calculations and mathematical calculations will be handled by the number of pandas. And also it's a large global community now, community wise, like if you have the any trouble on the any coding development productivity and any packages we have to integrate it, if you are stuck on that one, the community will be there, the global community will be there, it will be supported. And also we have to integrate the cloud services like Azure ML, AWS SageMaker, GCP, and AWS also. The DevOps also we have to integrate it in the AML, and also we have to the prepare to the research and academic, mostly the scientists will be doing some research, the how to the predictions will be happening in the medical related activities, that will be very easy to the compute to the Python. So that's why they are choosing the Python language. The tools what we have to cover to here, PyCharm and Colab, Jupyter, and GitHub and VLB. So this is the tools we have to learn here, and Visual Studio is the development tool, and Jupyter Colab is the practice on the Python, and Git will be the source controller to maintain the across the globally with different developers activities. So these are the tools we have to cover in this course, and to come to the features. It's a easy to learn and readability format and cross platform, like like Windows, Mac OS, Linux. We can run to the any platform, and also we have to the object oriented and functional platforms will be there. there. And dynamic typing. Dynamic typing means the way of the lines of code. So if you maintain the code like into x equal to 10 into y equal to 20, like that, that is the JavaScript, and that will be the Java code. But if you have to dynamic typing, just you have to x equal 10, y equal to 20, then x plus y. The calculations of the part will be very easy, and understanding was very easy. Let me showcase on that to why it's a clean architecture, this process. See, here the definitions will be like, if you declaring the any properties, just we have to, no need to declare like let to where string, just we have to declare the name, and we name, like so we have to the print statement, and also we have to the Python if statements will be there. So it's easy, understandable language, and quickly we can develop the Python AML concepts. So, and also it support to the object-oriented concepts, to class encapsulation, polymorphisms, to maintain to the all the hierarchy activities. So come to the language comparisons. Why Python was more demand to come to the JavaScript. Python is the backend development, and Java also is the backend development. JavaScript also we can backend development. So, but why you are choosing the Python? Python is AML and data science, automation, backend scripting. It's very easy. The what are the AML concepts will be there, like vector database, RAG, deep learning, machine learning. This all are algorithms will be supported to Python. That's why the most of the companies are looking to this skill set, who will be the good experience on the hands-on experience on Python. The way of the development also, like if you develop the Java, the progressive of the development will be take time, like it's take 6 months. Suppose I have two e-commerce application, the e-commerce application will contain to list of the cards, products, adding like all the products related. So if you implement that type of the applications, Java will be 6 months. If you take the Python, it will quickly, it's 2 months we can build the e-commerce application, because the so many packages frameworks will be supported, and also we have to the generate tools will be supported. That's why the automation will be very easy. So Python. Come to the JavaScript is the web development, front end and back end with Node.js and Vue apps. Like if you have to implement in the front end UI activities, we have to go for the JavaScript and React.js and Node.js will be the back end development. So this is the main difference, Python, Java, and JavaScript. Come to the real world use case, Python AML. So it's a healthcare domain, like whenever the nowadays the all research and development will be processed on the healthcare, medical imaging, the disease predictions, like the everything will be the robo oriented, like the all the treatment will be happening with the advanced level. The way of the software the developing by using the Python. And come to the finance, fraud detections, algorithm trending, like what are the stock market will be there, what is the finance now future upcoming market, everything we have to calculate it. That's by using the AML algorithms will be there. That algorithms I will teach to the once enroll this course, I will teach the all the algorithms process, how we are doing that one. And to come to the manufacturing, the predictive maintenance, like whenever doing the automation, like if you have to driving the car, manually driving, the automation without driver, the automation robots will be there. That type of the features also, the softwares also you have to maintain, and also banking, credit risk modeling. So many use cases in the Python languages. That's why they have to choose to the Python AML concepts. And come to the Gen AI tools, like Chat GPT. If you open any Chat GPT. So what is the Chat GPT? Chat GPT, if you have any doubts on the for development, anything in the world wise, any doubts on that one, it's like the friend. It's we can just enter the proper prompt. Based upon the prompt, it will be getting the data. So the Chat GPT, it's one of the OpenAI's tool, and also we have to the Claude. Claude also will be the Anthropic tool. So this is also one of the tool by it's a Claude. So it's the same like ChatGPT. So we can utilize to the Claude. So this type of the tools, the company was really looking on that one. Like these companies, Anthropic and OpenAI is the ChatGPT, and Microsoft is the Copilot. Uh, if you go for the Copilot, so this is the Microsoft to Copilot. It's like that they have to require this type of the tools. So the like Google also the Gemini LLM will be there, and also Propex tool will be there. So many tools in the market. The company is a revenue generation process, and the opportunity will be more on that one. That's why they are looking that one. And also in the course we are dealing to these tools like how to integrate the chat gpt in the development, and DAL tool and advanced image creation. And also we have to go for the Evan Labs, Propexel, the voice synthetics and cloning power tools, and also we have to so many advanced ML concepts will be there, like machine learning types, classifications, supervised learning, deep learning, how the networks will be transferred. This type of the concepts will be covered in this course. And to come to the Python libraries, NumPy and Fonda for the data processing, and machine learning is the Skittler learning, and chat boost to chat GPT, chatbot. This is the machine learning activities. And come to the market trends. What is the market trends in the if you learn to the Python, the global AI market is a $1.8 billion in the 2030 market. If up to the target on the 2030, the 2026 January mid onwards, the market is very huge on the Python libraries and Python coding, who is the good experience on the Python development to the backend and AML concepts. And also the 80% of the enterprise will be integrated in the AI, grow all the tools. So if you take the any Excel, PowerPoint, and any development, Java in React Native and Flutter also, we have to go for the AML concepts and AI tools also there, instead of the manual approaches, and automations will be there. That's why we are using the AML trends. And come to the explosion adapter. So we have to the LLMs, generate LLMs with the chat GPT, Claude. The market was the boom, will be good on the future for the AML concepts. And to come to the this is also one more tools like GitHub Copilot and Claude. Claude will be also the creation of the coding and programming related activities. So like that, we have to booming will be more on that one. That's why they're choosing the Gen AI tools. So this is the advantages of the Gen AI market. You have any queries on the Vasishtha, Rohit? You can ask to me.
No, so just want to check like the tool which you mentioned, so we will cover all those tools. Like maybe you mentioned PyTorch, TensorFlow, and all, or like how? Or any project you will be given to us to do practice, like any kind of like
Exactly.
industry-based projects for
Yeah, yeah,
demo
yeah.
and all.
Yeah, exactly. That's a good question. So we have to give to the practice on that one. We have to Visual Studio and Jupyter. How we are communicating the all the tools will be there. How to implementing the PyCharm and CLNL and DevApps also. So this type of the practical ones and all these course, I will teach to the all the things. And also Anita, I think I shared all the PPTs, course PPT. So you have to go through the PPT. Like let me share my PPT also. See here we are dealing with the. Let me zoom it. Is it visible, right? So here, how to install the Anaconda Python and variables, so string. This is the concepts, and also we are dealing with the data science, mathematical data science concepts, and also we have to do in the data analytics and front-end web development, React JS. I will teach the React JS, and also I'll teach the cloud and machine learning. Also, will teach this course, and also come to the RAG, natural NLP, deep learning, computer visions, deep learning things, and also vector database, agentic AI tools, agentic AI frameworks, how to RAG will be work, how to implementing the agentic AI tools, LangChain, LangSmith, Crew AI. This type of the tools also I will teach this course. So that's why the market of the AML will be become the more Vasishta.
Okay. In project, what kind of project you will cover? Like, do you have any kind of
So
project which
see,
you can
let me tell the projects covering part.
demo or anything?
E-commerce application, I will deal with the e-commerce, and I will deal with the IoT domain applications. I will deal with the business applications. Okay. So, but so first I have to initially target on the e-commerce, any e-commerce real-time application. That will be how we are dealing with GenAI tools, that e-commerce building, and IoT, like if you scanning the any IoT devices will be there, how to scan the devices, how to implement the backend APIs, how to deploy the app into DevApps, and Nginx server configuration. This type of the process also I will deal that one. So IoT domain application, e-commerce application, I will deal that one. Once complete the course, this course, then only I will just 1 week. I'll take 1 week completely all the activities, product activities.
Okay, just wanna check, for example, if I learn this course, I'm able to manage and all those options. So will I be able to create a particular chatbot which can helps to answer the query by analyzing my M365 environment?
Exactly.
Like
Yeah, yeah. So if
M365.
you learn this course, definitely you can
Mm-hmm,
create the own tool instead of the chat
mm-hmm.
GPT.